So this is the True Fresh Dishwasher Machine Deep Cleaner. I use this once a month. I guess it depends on how often you use your dishwasher, but this is an 18-month supply and there's 18 in the package. So I think generally it's used about once a month. It works really, really well. We have hard water, so we get all that nasty buildup, and this takes care of that. It just leaves the dishwasher smelling really fresh, and I didn't know that you needed to clean a dishwasher until I was an adult, but you do, because it does get buildup and it can make it just not as good at cleaning your dishes. So you want to use it on an empty dishwasher. You don't want any dishes in it, and you just put it in the soap tray and then run a cycle and let it dry, and it will be sparkly and clean. This is a great value pack. Some of the other brands are just way too pricey in my opinion. So this works really well without, you know, breaking the bank, as they say. Definitely give it a try, and yeah, it will make your dishwasher nice and fresh.